Let's learn how to control an excavator. Push both joysticks forward, the machine moves forward. Pull both joysticks back, the machine moves backward. Push the left joystick forward, the excavator turns right. Push the right joystick forward, the excavator turns left. Now let's look at the right-hand controls. Push the right joystick forward, the boom goes down. Pull it backward, the boom lifts up. Move it to the right, the bucket curls outward. Move it to the left, the bucket curls inward. Now the left hand controls. Pull the left joystick backward, the stick retracts. Push it forward, the stick extends. Move it to the left, the upper structure rotates left. Move it to the right, the upper structure rotates right. That's it. Did you learn it? Comment good if you got it.